Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. So today we have two amazing factorization, okay, which we are going to crack right now. Alright guys, so first one will be, okay, solution 1 is y to the power 5 minus y. So what do you think we should be taking common in them between the terms? Yes, I think you're correct. So we should take y, okay, and we'll be left with this, isn't it? Now, what next? Y is one of the factor, clearly. What about them? So, can we do this? For y to the power 4. And for this, we can right away write, okay, 1 square. Now, we know that since a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Alright guys? So we have our a this and b this. So in our next move, we'll have y static as it is. But for this, y square minus 1. See, a minus b. My a is y square, b is 1. So a minus b and a plus b. Alright guys, this one. Now, what next? Now, y will be there. Can we break these two? Can we? Tell me. Of course we can. So we have another a square minus b square, right? So y square minus 1 square can be written, isn't it? Now this can't be broken further, okay? We do not have any such identity to factorize this. So we'll have y minus 1 and y plus 1 and this one y square plus 1. So this will be our final answer guys. So look at it how it is. So we are getting all total 5, okay, power for y. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here and 2 there. Alright guys. So this is our answer. Now should we travel to the next one? This is equally appealing because what I feel is y square minus root 2 plus root 5 y plus root 10. Now we have to use certain tweaks, right? How? Y square, let's open this also. This is the first step that we take, minus plus minus root 5. And as for this, can we not write root 2 and root 5? Because we know that root 2 multiplied by root 5 is equal to root 10. Alright guys? Got it? Now what next? Since there was a y there, okay, so let's put y there to both of them, which means between these two we can take y as common, y minus root 2, and here minus root 5, and y will be left off here, y minus plus minus root 2. Alright guys? So we are left with y minus root 5 and y minus root 2 as our answer. Isn't it? So this was very interesting. The only thing that we had to do was to try and open this and make possible factorization. So this is our answer. So if there is any doubt regarding this, do write to me in the comment box. Okay, I shall address them, okay, as soon as you will have asked Okay guys, so I hope you people have understood. Next I'm bringing some of the NCERT solutions also for your understanding so that they cannot be neglected. They are very, very important from exam perspective. They need to be understood well because generally those problems are not ignored while setting papers. Okay, so there we go now. So for now, bye bye, have a great day, and I hope you understood and enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.